Can you really make air fried roast potatoes using tinned potatoes? I'm going to find out in this video, so let's go for it. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. One air fryer too many. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss another air fryer video. A new video every week for you to enjoy. Now, like I've just said, I have seen this trend on TikTok and Facebook and everywhere you see it, doing immense roast potatoes in your air fryer, and it turns out they've used tinned potatoes. Little scoundrels. So I have blown the budget this week. I went to Aldi and I've spent 37p a tin on these potatoes because I'm going to find out if they are as good as these TikTokers are making out. So, dead simple, dead easy. I'm going to open these up, we're going to drain them off, toss them in some olive oil, salt and pepper, and I've got some garlic and rosemary. So I'm going to move you in a little bit closer and we're going to get them in the air fryer. Now on the tin it says these cook in 7 minutes. I don't think they're going to roast in 7 minutes, but to heat them up it says 7 minutes. I reckon this from start to finish should take you around 15 to 20 minutes. And let's have a look at these roast potatoes that come out at the other end. So make sure you stay tuned. Right, so we are going to open these up. Now they're open, we're going to drain them. Now I don't know about you, but I remember tinned new potatoes growing up with my mum, obsessed with tinned boiled new potatoes and fish and parsley sauce in a bag. Oh, disgusting, man. Just thinking of that now is awful. Next I'm going to go on with about 4 spoons of olive oil, some pink Himalayan sea salt, some crab black pepper, now I've got some garlic, and all I'm going to do with this garlic is actually just get the cloves, just get the most of the skin, the rough skin off, like that. And then I'm just gonna break it just on the bench, just to split it open a bit like that. And that is gonna go in like that. This is just gonna add some flavour to it. And I'm gonna go in with probably 6 or 7 of these. Like that. Now I'm not chopping it up because I don't want these to burn in the air fryer. And there we go. And then a little toss. And then I do have some rosemary as well. Love the smell of rosemary. Right, this is now ready to go into the air fryer. So let's open it up. Right, I have got the bases in. For this video I'm using the Cosori Twin Fry. However, you can use whatever air fryer you've got. If you're interested in a Cosori Twin Fry, head over to my Amazon store, the link's in the description below, and check out the unboxing video. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Right, so let's put the potatoes in, and the garlic and the rosemary. They're all going to make friends in the air fryer. Right, so now they're in, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to press Grand Zone, Roast. I'm going to knock this up to 205. That's the highest this will go on Roast. And I'm going to drop this down to 20 minutes. and then I'm going to press play. I'm going to check these after 10 and we'll see where we're at. Right, we've just gone over 10 minutes and let's open them up. Oh, the smell on these is unreal. Right, we're going to give them a good old shake. I'm going to go back in. Right, there we have it. Oh, look at them. Look at him. They look fabulous. Wow. I can't believe it myself, to be honest. How good they look. 20 minutes in an air fryer and they're out of a tin. Let's get these tasted. Right, let's get these plated up. And honestly, look at these. Beautiful. What do you reckon to them? Let me know in the comments below. Right, let's try them. Right, well, it's all got a bit steamy in my outside cooking studio, but I think for just over £1 worth of tin new potatoes, that is unbelievable. Obviously, olive oil, I already had some in. Garlic, I already had that in. Did buy the rosemary, so we're up to about £2. They're red hot. Wow. They are fantastic. Genuinely, that is a proper air fryer hack. Tin new potatoes into roast potatoes in 20 minutes. They're dead soft inside because obviously they're pre-cooked in the tin. Nice exterior. If I'm being really critical, probably another 5 minutes just to really crisp them up, and maybe even some like butter or some dripping over the top, just to give them some depth of flavour. But for a basic roast potato, that is a proper winner. Right, let me know what you think in the comments. Are you going to try it? Have you tried it? What did you serve them with? And what seasoning did you put on them? Let me know, I'd love to find out. And also head over to One Air Fryer Too Many Facebook page, join the group over there as well, and put some pictures on of your finished dish. Right, make sure you put in the comments what you'd like to see on the channel. What would you like to see me cook? Make sure you put it on, so then I can tailor the videos to what you actually would like to see. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching, hope you have a great weekend. See you again very soon.